Okay, this question is from your T1W8 Retrieval Practice question 11. So there are two characters over here, Karen and Ian. They have a total of $96. So right over here, I will do for Karen first. She has 7 units in total based on the number here. And out of the 7 units, she gave 3 units to Ian. So this is what happened. 3 units was given to Ian. And the question mentioned that Ian spent half of the total amount of money that he had on something. And then in the end, they had the same amount of money left. If Karen had 4 units left, that means Ian also had 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the units that he had left. 4 units. And since he mentioned that he spent half of the total amount of money, that means he should have 8 units. These 8 units comprises of the 3 units that was given from Karen. 1, 2, and 3. That means at first he will have 5 units. Okay, he will have 5 units at first, plus the Karen 3 units. Total he has 8 units. And out of the 8 units, half was spent on the soccer boots. Therefore, he was left with 4 units. With this understanding, we'll move on to solve this question. He had a total of, or they had a total of $96. So from here, how many units are there? In total, there are 12 units. Okay, 12 units is equal to $96. So 1 unit is equal to $8. You can use your calculator for this. And they're asking for how much, okay, how much was spent on the boots. Since mentioned that they are spending half of the total amount of money that he had on the pair of soccer boots, that means from here he's spending 4 units. Okay, that means it will be equal to $32. Do you get it? Okay, move on to the next question. Okay, for the second question here, question 12, Mrs. Rani used 12 beads to make a necklace and 7 beads to make a bracelet. So over here, I stated here, one necklace, it took 12 beads to form this necklace and 7 beads to form this bracelet. So you can actually use grouping with excess. If I ask you compare one necklace with one bracelet, how many is the difference? The difference between necklace and bracelet will be 5 beads. That means she will need 5 more beads to make a necklace compared to a bracelet. Then the next sentence they mentioned that she made 8 more bracelets. So over here I drew 8 more bracelets. So my question to you is that if she made 8 more bracelets, how many beads are being used over here? Correct. So it will be 7 because one bracelet you require 7 beads and there are total of 8 more bracelets. So 7 times 8, you will get 56. So she's actually using 56 beads to make this 8 more bracelet compared to necklace. But look at the question in the third sentence. They mentioned that the total number of beads used to make necklace was 24 more comparing to bracelet. Okay, that means to say if I have to make one necklace and one bracelet, I will need 5 more beads to make necklace. But over here, despite I making 8 more bracelet, it actually required 56 beads. The number of beads being used to make necklace is still more than compared to bracelet, and the number is 24 more. So what I'll do is, in my working, I'll write as 56. Despite being 56 used on the 8 more bracelet, there is still more beads being used for necklace than the bracelet. So my marking will be 56 plus 24, because I mentioned that the number of beads used to make necklace was 24 more. So if I plus together, I'll get 80. And how come there's a number of 80 here? Because if I were to compare one necklace with one bracelet, the difference is 5. So remember previously we taught you about grouping. One group over here, the difference is 5 bits. The second pair will have another difference of 5 bits. So how many groups are there? Correct. I'll be using 80 divided by 5 to find how many groups are there. You'll get 16. Meaning to say there are 16 pairs, 16 necklace was being formed. 16 necklace. If I know that 16 necklace is being formed by her, made by her, how many bracelet are we talking about? They say 8 more. So 16 plus 8, I'll get 24 as an answer.